Hey everyone! Are you ready to practice your English with us today?
That's right! In this video, we're going to say 50 everyday English expressions that you can use in real life.
Here's how it works. I'll say the expression first with an American accent.
And then I'll repeat the same expression with a British accent.
Your job? Listen very carefully.
Try to guess what we're saying before the text appears on the screen.
Don't worry if you don't catch it the first time. Just focus and listen again.
Then, once you see the sentence on the screen,
Repeat after us.
after us.
Say it clearly. Say it confidently.
And try to copy our pronunciation and rhythm.
The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound.
And who knows? You might even start sounding American or British.
Or maybe a cool mix of both.
Ready to challenge yourself?
Ready to train your ears? Let's get started. I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Just give me a second.
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 Please wait a moment.
Please wait a moment.
Please wait a moment.
Please wait a moment.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
No need to worry.
No need to worry.
No need to worry.
No need to worry.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
That's totally fine.
That's totally fine.
That's totally fine.
That's totally fine.
Everything is under control.
Everything is under control.
Everything is under control.
Everything is under control.
It's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good.
That sounds really good.
That sounds really good.
That sounds really good.
That sounds really good.
That works for me.
That works for me.
That works for me.
That works for me.
okay with that.
I'm okay with that.
I'm okay with that.
I'm okay with that.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
Whatever you decide is fine.
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 Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's go right now.
Let's go right now.
Let's go right now.
Let's go right now.
Let's call it a day.
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 I'm ready right now.
I'm ready right now.
I'm ready right now.
I'm ready right now.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
Give me a minute.
Give me a minute.
Give me a minute.
Give me a minute.
Please hold on.
Please hold on.
Please hold on.
Please hold on.
Wait for a second.
Wait for a second.
Wait for a second.
Wait for a second.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
Please text me later.
Please text me later.
Please text me later.
Please text me later.
See you very soon.
See you very soon.
See you very soon.
See you very soon.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Please take care.
Please take care.
Please take care.
Please take care.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Please be careful.
Please be careful.
Please be careful.
Please be careful.
I wish you luck.
I wish you luck.
I wish you luck.
I wish you luck.
Congratulations on your success.
Congratulations on your success.
Congratulations on your success.
Congratulations on your success.
That's really awesome.
That's really awesome.
That's really awesome.
That's really awesome.
That's great news.
That's great news.
That's great news.
That's great news.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry for that.
I'm sorry for that.
I'm sorry for that.
I'm sorry for that.
It was my mistake.
It was my mistake.
It was my mistake.
It was my mistake.
That was my fault.
That was my fault.
That was my fault.
That was my fault.
Please don't worry.
Please don't worry.
Please don't worry.
Please don't worry.
Can I ask something?
Can I ask something?
Can I ask something?
Can I ask something?
Do you have time?
Do you have time?
Do you have time?
Do you have time?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Are you really sure?
Are you really sure?
Are you really sure?
Are you really sure?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
That's very interesting.
That's very interesting.
That's very interesting.
That's very interesting.
I completely understand.
I completely understand.
I completely understand.
I completely understand.
That makes perfect sense.
That makes perfect sense.
That makes perfect sense.
That makes perfect sense.
I totally agree with you.
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 I get it now.
I get it now.
I get it now.
I get it now.
Wow, you just practiced 50 everyday English expressions. That's amazing.
Yes, seriously. If you repeated them with us, you've just trained your listening and pronunciation at the same time.
So tell us, how many expressions did you guess correctly before the text appeared?
Be honest. Was it 10, 10, 10, 30, 30, 30, or all 50, 50, 50?
Write your score in the comments below. We'd love to know.
And if you enjoyed practicing with both American and British accents,
Make sure you like this video
subscribe to the channel.
and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next listening challenge.
We'll be back with more real-life expressions, pronunciation practice, and fun English training.
Remember, the more you listen,
The more you repeat,
the more
the
confident,
more
you become.
you become.
Keep practicing every day.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.